Hi everyone, my name is Aaron Turner. I'm with Dance Teacher Web, and I'm going to be showing you guys a riffle exercise for levels 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to start off with level 1. It's very, very simple. Just want to have them have an understanding of riffles and some types of slurs, what they're also called. So to start, for level 1, I keep it very, very simple. You're just going to start with a riff. It's a 3-sounding tap, step, so you have a riff. A riffle is kind of like the mirror between a riff and a shuffle. So the shuffle, that portion of it is a spank, so you're going to add that to a riff. So now a riffle, 3 sounds, goes 1, 2, 3. So for beginners, I just have them do this 3 times on each side, and the 4th one, turn it into a slur where you transfer the weight and pick up your other foot. So for beginners, I would have them do 3 threes. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and count 4, you transfer your weight to pick up your other foot. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So that, both sides would be 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This can be continued on to, like, for instance, 5-sounding riffs, 5-sounding riffles. But you do have to slow down your timing in the way that you're counting. So for 5, you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transfer weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Transfer weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, you want to make sure that you end with the ball. Now you could speed that up. You can go from 3 to 5 and go back and forth and speed up the process for beginners. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Slow down your count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, moving on, you can move on to number 7. Same counts apply. You do have to slow down. You have a little break there. And the only thing that's added is they need to start on the and. There's a pickup, okay, which is important for them to start early. There's a pickup in time steps. There's a pickup often where you pick up before the 1. So for 7s, you would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now again, for 7s, I would say it is moving on from beginners to intermediate. They have to have a real good understanding of 5. I would say that when you're watching them, you want to make sure that their ankles are loose. You don't want hypertension in their ankles in order to do this. You want a relaxed foot to speed up. It's so helpful to have a relaxed foot for 5s or 7 counts. Eventually for intermediates, advanced, there's 9s, 13s. But all of that has to be done with a relaxed foot. So at the beginning stages, you want to make sure that in this position for the riffles, it's okay for them to have hyperflexion and tension in their ankles. But from this point on, I would say relax their foot in order to shift their weight. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'd say that's a pretty brisk speed for beginners. So you start much slower than that. You do this over a certain amount of weeks where they can get a keen understanding. Even balancing on the one side is important. Relaxed ankle, relaxed foot, and make sure that all the sounds are there and even. But most importantly, make sure they're at a young age and they're having fun, but also picking up the mechanics of these steps that are necessary for them to move on to level 2. And in the next video, I'll show you guys a combination that incorporates these steps for an intermediate level that includes all the steps that we have while maintaining a relaxed ankle. So I'll see you guys in the next video for level 2.